Now guys, Safari doesn't have one reset button, but you can reset everything manually. Option 1, clear browsing data. Locate Safari on your settings. Okay. Scroll over down to find clear history website data. Okay. And select the time frame. And if you want to close all tabs with it, just hit or turn on the close all tabs. Lastly, clear history. Okay. Basically, option 2, go to remove website permissions like camera, microphone, locations, pop-ups, right? You could just turn it off. Okay. Desktop or mobile site preferences. So you can just reset it from the settings here. All right. Lastly, delete Safari downloads if you have one. If you have downloads, just go ahead right here on the downloads to your it's inside the iCloud drive. So I'm gonna go ahead to my files and delete anything you downloaded from Safari. Okay. Let me go back right here to the settings. And yeah, basically make sure that you delete the Safari downloads. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see the Safari settings, right? And you're gonna turn off search suggestions. Okay. So just turn off the Safari suggestions and search engine suggestions. Okay. Lastly, reset all settings. Okay. Go back to the main settings. Head general. Okay. Head transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset all. Reset. You can see a pop-up window. Hit reset all settings. This resets Safari preferences but keeps photos and data. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.